What's up, folks? Welcome back to another video. On this channel we help you become a full stack developer. If this is your first time, definitely consider subscribing. This is an entire series on how to deploy React, Angular, and Vue.js application to Amazon S3, and also we're gonna walk you guys through on how to create the custom domain and everything set up. So definitely make sure you watch the entire playlist. But in this video we're gonna walk you guys through on how to deploy a Vue.js application in S3. Before you start, you need to have an AWS account and also have an understanding of what S3 is. Well, without any further ado, let's get our hands dirty. So first thing first, make sure you navigate to this website, and then once you're on here, make sure you go type here, you can search for S3 and click on S3. Once you're on S3, I'm gonna go here and create a bucket. A bucket is something we can store a lot of documents into it. Now the name needs to be globally unique across Amazon, so I'm gonna name this one something like YouTube Vue.js S3 bucket, and make sure you select a region that is closer to your end consumers. For example, wherever you think people are using your application the most, make sure you select that region that is close to them. Once that's done, make sure you click on create button right here, and ladies and gentlemen, your button is created. Now check this out, right here, this bucket is not public. The goal is we want to make this bucket publicly available. How can we do that? In order for us to do that, we need to click on the bucket. Once you clicked on it, you need to go under permission, and under permission, make sure that you are on there where it said block public access, and I'm gonna click the edit button right here. And once I click that one, make sure you uncheck this box. This will allow your bucket to go public. Once that's done, click save and type confirm and click confirm, and now this bucket becomes publicly available. The next step is we need to attach a bucket policy into our bucket. So wherever it said bucket policy, make sure you click on it right here. And a bucket policy is something that can limit certain actions inside our bucket. One example is it can deny or allow access for people to read things inside our bucket, but for the sake of this, we want everybody to be able to read things inside our bucket. So we're gonna copy a bucket policy that I already have. So if you head over this URL right here, you'll have this policy already available for you. So all you need to do is copy this policy and go back to your Amazon and paste it right here. All we need to do in this case is wherever you have the resource name right here, we're going to replace this bucket name with the bucket name that we have. In my case, my bucket name is equal to YouTube Vue.js S3 bucket. So I'm gonna copy this name and we place wherever I have bucket name right here, we place it with my actual bucket name in order to make it public. And this star is saying, all right, we want everybody to access everything that is inside this bucket. Once that's done, make sure you click save. And ladies and gentlemen, our bucket now is public. To verify this is public, if I go back into Amazon S3 and here, make sure that you're seeing this label. If you're not seeing this label, then your bucket is not public. All right, once that's done, head over wherever you have your Vue.js application. In my case, this is my Vue.js application, and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna take this application that is currently being served on localhost. I'm gonna take it to Amazon S3, but be mindful, I'm using the CLI in order for me to generate this application. All right, so back into your application and try to run this command npm run build, and what this is going to do for you is it's going to create a production build ready folder that you can deploy. Now it's going to create what they call a disk folder right here. Now take a look, this disk folder has everything I need in order for me to deploy my application to S3. All right, so once you have this disk folder, go back to Amazon S3, make sure that you click on the bucket. You need to be inside this bucket, okay? So once you're inside of this bucket, wherever you have this Vue app located inside your folder, so navigate to wherever that is, click on the Vue app and click to wherever you have the disk folder, and everything that is inside the folder, we're gonna drag everything into the Amazon console right here. And there you go, everything is dragged. And once that's done, click upload, and ladies and gentlemen, everything that was inside the disk folder is inside your bucket. All right, so once that's done, the last thing that we need to do in order for us to make this public available to everybody, I need to go to properties, and under property, I'm gonna need to click on static website hosting and make sure that you use this box right here. I'm gonna specify the index as index.html. I'm gonna copy the same thing and also add it inside the array document as well. Once that's done, click save and click on static website hosting again, and this URL is going to be the URL where your website is going to be available for. So if I click this link, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen, my website now is available over this URL, and I can copy this URL and send it to anybody that I want to, and they will be able to see what I'm currently seeing right now. If this video has helped you in any ways, please do not leave without hitting the subscribe button. You helping me creating video like this for people like you to find. And if you want to stay tuned with every single new video that I release on this channel, definitely hit the notification bell and turn all notification on. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and see you guys for the next video.